Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my research proposal. My name is Inayati Aina from the English Education Department. Today, I would like to present my research proposal entitled An Evaluation of the Suitability of Grammar Materials in an English Workbook for Third Grade Students. Without further ado, let me begin my presentation. Okay, let me start with the background of my study. English has become an important international language and is introduced to children from an early age. One essential aspect of learning English is grammar, because grammar helps students produce meaningful and accurate sentences. However, teaching grammar to young learners is quite challenging. Children have different learning characteristics from adults. They usually learn better through games, stories, pictures, and meaningful activities rather than memorizing grammar rules. In elementary schools, English workbooks are commonly used to support the teaching and learning process. Since students rely on these workbooks, the grammar materials should be suitable for their cognitive development and learning needs. However, based on my preliminary observation, I found that some grammar topics presented in the workbook may be too difficult for third grade students. Therefore, I'm interested in evaluating whether the grammar materials are appropriate for young learners. There are two reasons why I chose this topic. For the first, grammar is an important component of English learning, but many young learners still find it difficult to understand. The second one, because workbooks are widely used in elementary schools, it is important to ensure that the grammar materials are suitable for students' developmental characteristics. So I hope this study can contribute to improving the quality of English teaching materials for young learners. Based on the background, my study addresses two research questions. The first question is what types of grammar materials are presented in the English workbook. And then the second question is to what extent are the grammar materials suitable for third grade students. In line with those research questions, this study has two objectives. The first is to identify the grammar materials presented in the English workbook. The second is to evaluate whether those grammar materials are suitable for third grade students. The significance of the study. This study is expected to provide both theoretical and practical contributions. Theoretically, it can enrich the literature on teaching English to young learners, grammar instruction, and material evaluation. Practically, it can help teachers choose appropriate workbooks, provide suggestions for material developers, and become a useful reference for future researchers. This is about previous studies. Several previous studies have discussed grammar teaching and teaching materials. For example, from VU, Nan, and Lossi emphasized that grammar should be taught through meaningful and interactive activities that match children's characteristics. Other researchers, such as Nordland, Nisrina, and Jahan, evaluated English teaching materials and found that many textbooks still focus too much on grammar rules rather than communicative learning. However, only a few studies specifically evaluate the suitability of grammar materials in English workbooks for third grade elementary school students. Therefore, this study aims to fill that research gap. Theoretical background. This study is based on 5 main theories. The first is teaching English to young learners, or TEYL. The second is the characteristics of young learners. The third is grammar teaching for young learners. The fourth is teaching materials and English workbooks. And the last is material evaluation. So these theories serve as a basic for evaluating whether the grammar materials are suitable for third grade students. This slide presents the conceptual framework of my study. The English workbook is the main source of data. First, I identify the grammar materials presented in the workbook. Next, I classify the grammar topics, and then after that, I evaluate the materials using theories related to teaching English to young learners, grammar teaching, and material evaluation. Finally, I determine whether the grammar materials are suitable for third grade students. Okay, this study uses a qualitative approach with document analysis as the research design. I choose this method because my study does not involve numerical data or statistical analysis. Instead, it focuses on describing and evaluating the grammar materials contained in an English workbook. The subject of this study is an English workbook used by third grade elementary school students. There are two research instruments used in this study. The first is a document analysis sheet, which is used to identify and record grammar materials found in the workbook. The second is a grammar material evaluation checklist. This checklist helps evaluate whether the grammar materials are appropriate based on the characteristics of young learners, principles of grammar teaching, and criteria for material evaluation. Okay, the data collection process consists of several steps. First, I select the English workbook. Second, I read the workbook carefully. Third, I identify all grammar materials presented in the workbook. Next, I classify the grammar materials according to their categories, and then I evaluate the materials using the evaluation checklist. The collected data will be analyzed using the qualitative data analysis model proposed by Miles and Huberman. The analysis consists of three stages. The first is data reduction, where only relevant data are selected. The second is data display, where the findings are presented in descriptive form and tables. The last is conclusion drawing and verification, where conclusions are made and continuously verified to ensure they are supported by the data. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.